Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all well. And today's lecture we are going to discuss about some more important point about the human reproduction. Okay, so first of all we have to already study about the uh, structure of male reproductive system and also about the testes. And now in this video we are going to discuss how in the testes of seminiferous tubule the sperm are formed. Okay, so first of all I'm just writing for some understanding, because I hope you all are watch my video of the previously, but whenever you not watch the video then you can also understand. So that's why I'll make a diagram. We all know that this is the testis. Okay, and if you remember, then this is the septa, and in this septa, like this structure 2 to 3 in each septa is present. This structure is known as seminiferous tubule. So we know that the seminiferous tubule forms sperm. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss how seminiferous tubule forms sperm. Okay, so let's erase this all and make a in this video we will make a cut section of seminiferous tubule. Okay, so we know that seminiferous tubule is like this. Okay, and this is the like this. Okay, so whenever we cut, then it is looking like this. And we know that in each septa the number is 2 to 3. So let's make it. I'll make 2, 3. Okay, so this seminiferous tubule, in the inner side a cell is present which is known as spermatogonia. This cell is known as, I'll make a larger diagram, this and this. Okay, so spermatogonia, this is. Okay, spermatogonia. This cell, this cell is known as spermatogonia. Okay, and this columnar like cell, this cell is known as Sertoli cell. And this is the space, because we know in one septa there is 2 to 3 seminiferous tubule. So let me do it is small because of less space. So this is the space. Okay, this is also a seminiferous tubule. This is also. Okay, and the whole are the same size, but due to less space of board, I'll make a small diagram. Okay, so this is the seminiferous tubule, and this is the space, because this is the septa. Okay, this is the septa of testis. So this is the space, and this space is known as interstitial space. And in this space a cell is present known as interstitial cell. Okay, and this cell is also known as leading cell. Okay, and if you remember, then this cell produces male sex hormone which is known as testosterone. This is this cell. Let me draw. There is a like this. Okay, let me draw here also, and this. Okay, So what we have to study, this is the male sex hormone, this produce Latin cell produce male sex hormone, and the sperm formed inside the testis by this spermatogonia, okay, and Sertoli cell have helped to give the nutrition to the sperm, because this will convert into sperm, and whenever it converted into sperm, then the head of sperm like this is inside the columnar cell known as Sertoli cell and forms like this, okay. So I'll make some diagram, that's why you can understand very easily. This is okay, this is the sperm, okay. Now we are going to discuss how the spermatogonia converted into sperms, okay. First point, our topic is what? Spermatogenesis. What is the definition of spermatogenesis? The formation of sperm. We know that this is this word for use, sperm, okay, and genesis means formation. Whenever you look like a genesis with any word, you automatically understand which something happened as a formation, okay. So the formation of a sperm is called spermatogenesis, and how the form we are going to discuss about. So let's write formation of sperm, okay. Now let me draw one diagram. Let me I magnify the picture like this, okay. So this is the columnar cell, okay. This is the spermatogonia. This is also columnar. This is spermatogonia. This is columnar. This is spermatogonia, okay. Let me like this, and this is the nucleus. I'll make, okay. So this spermatogonia forms a sperm, okay. So how it forms, I'll make, okay. So it is a long process, so I'll erase the whole point. Let me now I'll make their columnar cell, spermatogonia, again columnar, spermatogonia, columnar, spermatogonia, columnar, okay. This is the nucleus, and this is also a nucleus of spermatogonia, okay. So I'll make their, this is the Sertoli cell, and this is spermatogonia, okay. Now the spermatogonia has two types in the seminiferous tubule. So the spermatogonia, let me draw like it divides into two types. The first is known as spermatogonia A, spermatogonia B, okay. So spermatogonia in the seminiferous tubule has two types. The first is spermatogonia A, second is spermatogonia B, okay. And the spermatogonia A have different role, and spermatogonia B has different role. So let me draw this spermatogonia B forms male gamete, that means sperm, and this will help in the formation again. We will discuss about this, okay. First of all, we know how the sperm is formed. Let me this is the spermatogonia B, and this will divide, okay, divides, and more division occurs, more. So what is this? This is a spermatogonia B, and it will divide. This division is known mitotic division. And we know that in the mitotic division there is no half of chromosome, So whenever the chromosome is 46 all of spermatogonia B, then this is also known as spermatogonia spermatogonia B, and the chromosome is 46. Okay, and how many times their division occurs? Some book write it is a many times, but it is a fixed time, which is 7 times. 7 times, and in this times, that means it is a phase. So in this phase, how called multiplication phase, because in this phase only multiplication occurs. Okay, only multiplication, and also known as mitotic phase. Okay. Because of mitotic occurs, only mitotic division occurs. So this is known as spermatogonia A, B. Okay. Now, in each, okay, student, I'll make how many spermatogonia B formed from one spermatogonia B. So it is happen into 7 times. So this is 1. Okay. 1 will divide 1. First time it will gives 2, because 1 gives 2, but both are divides and gives 4. So 4. It will give 8. It will give 16. It will give 32. It will give 64, and it will 128. First time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, sixth time, seventh time. That means in the last of 7 times of division of spermatogonia B, it will makes 128 spermatogonia B. In the last. So I'll make 4 because of less space of the board, but it is a 128, and each show growth. Each of them is show growth, each, and become larger in size. This is larger, and this is known as primary spermatocyte. This will form, and this phase is known as, because all of them 128, all of them show growth and forms primary spermatocyte and become larger in size. Okay, so this phase is known as growth phase. In this phase only growth and forms primary spermatocyte. Okay, and becomes larger because the size is large. Okay, now what happened? This spermatogonia A, primary spermatocyte, so meiosis division, and this meiosis division is known as meiosis first, and we know that whenever the meiosis occurs, then the number of chromosomes is half, because they have 46 chromosomes, they have also 46, and they have also 46. This will ask in the examination that how many number of chromosomes in the primary spermatocyte. So it is 46. Okay, but in this, first of all, we know that what is the name of this, because the primary spermatocyte so meiotic division and forms secondary spermatocyte. Okay, and this have 23 chromosomes. Okay, it may be 22 plus X or it may be 22 plus Y, but the number of chromosome is 23, because of number of chromosome become half due to meiosis division. Okay, and this meiosis division, again this secondary spermatocyte again so mitotic division, so meiosis division, and forms spermatid. Okay, and what is this? This is meiotic division. My meiosis division 2. This is first, this is second. So in the examination the question will ask like in the formation of a cell how many mitotic division occurs. It is meiosis division occurs, it is 2 times. Okay? The first is from primary spermatocyte to secondary spermatocyte, and the second is secondary spermatocyte to spermatid. Now this is not a sperm, but matured sperm is known as, but it is the last stage of formation of a sperm. Now this will convert, this whole will convert into only the flagella will develop, only flagella. So there is no any division occurs, and there is no any, only the development of flagella in the spermatid, and this is known as a sperm. Okay, sperm. And they it is haploid, that means this is also haploid, that is 23 chromosome, and this is also, that is 23. And this is here to here, this process is known as maturation phase or meiosis phase. Okay, so in the book also this is written in the book, but it is also known as meiotic phase. Okay, and in the meiotic phase only the meiosis occurs, so that we call it meiotic phase. Okay, and this process from the formation from spermatogonia to the formation of sperm, this whole process is known as spermatogenesis, and I will make with a diagram and try to understand you all that how the sperm is formed. And the whole process, it will take 72 days. So in the many people you have understand the formation of a sperm will take 72 days, and now you understand how the sperm is formed and how it will take the 72 days in the formation of sperm. Okay, now this I'll make some this here to here, spermatogonia to spermatid, this formation here to here, this is known as the formation the development of flagella from spermatid in the spermatid is known as spermiogenesis. So in the examination there is many types of question will ask in the subjective question, that how is what is spermiogenesis and spermatogenesis. So the spermatogenesis is the formation of a sperm from spermatogonia. Okay, this is known as spermatogenesis. And what is spermiogenesis? The conversion of spermatid into a sperm is known as spermiogenesis. Okay, so in this video we have discussed that how the sperm is formed. Okay, in the next video we will discuss more. Thank you. If you like this video,